lovers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, I'm going to be doing a little show and tell. I'm not calling it an unboxing because I've already unboxed it. But I have here the September to December 2025 mini catalog. I can't show you the inside until September, the 3rd, when you can start ordering from this. But as a demonstrator, we have pre-order, so we can order a month ahead of time. So I have my goodies and I'm going to show them to you, okay? Before we get started, I'm going to go over a little bit of buzzworthy business of the day. We have our paper pumpkin kit, the fall for toil. I kept saying toil, and a couple of more videos you'll hear me say toil, but I was told it's called toil. Fall for toil. It makes 9 elegant cards. Cajun Craze is going to be the stamping spot. Circle of the Seasons add-on dies are available that coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits. And this kit is going to coordinate with the Autumn Toile Suite collection and the new mini catalog. Okay, so that is that. We have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem rewards on future orders. Track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up! Account. Rewards expire after 12 months of the earning date. All right. Next, we have our in color sale. The 2025 to 2027 in colors are on sale. This is all products that includes any of these colors. So paper, cardstock, ribbon, embellishments, Stampin' Right markers, Stampin' Blends, designer series paper, some of the kits. If it has an in color from 2025 to 2027, which is the Cloud Cover, Timid Tiger, Secret Sea, Strawberry Slush, or the Darling Duckling, if it has one of those colors in it, it's on sale 15% off until the end of August 2025. All right. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. And that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let me just show you a couple of the things that I got because I didn't get much. So the first thing I have here, no particular order. This is the branching out dies. It's part of a bundle, but I did not get the stamp set. I just wanted the dies because I love this layering set right here. And so we have a couple of extra things to, decorate for the fall, but yeah, branching out dies. Then we have our Love Encourage stamp set. This is like one of the first stamp sets in the catalog. I think it's like on page 4. It's going to be the, what is it called? So where you purchase this, part of the funds will go to breast cancer. Let me look in this catalog real quick to tell you exactly what it says. Standing Strong Together. This is the Making a Difference stamp set. So yeah, $3 will be donated to breast cancer organizations per each stamp set sold. Okay, and this is a red rubber stamp. I love this. This look at that. Sunflowers must be in because everything is sunflowers. This is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put this one to the side. Next up, we have a suite. So let me get all the things for this suite that I purchased. I didn't get everything for this suite. So this is the Peaceful Garden Suite. Now I am missing the embellishments, the hues of blue flowers and the ribbon. I did not get the embellishments and the ribbon, but I have the Peaceful Greenery embossing folder. So as you can see, it makes embosses a little frame. And then we have the Peace on Earth bundle and this small frame in here, because this is 2 frames right here. The small one die cuts out right here. I think it's either one of these 2 die cuts here. So this is the stamp set, Peace on Earth, love, peace, love, and joy. Sending wishing you, goodness, if I can read, all the best in your new adventure with the deepest sympathy, heartfelt prayers, big hugs for a good friend, Peace on Earth. And then the dies, like I said, you have these 2 label dies, some olive branches, These are 2 little envelopes that you can put in the dove's mouth so they can carry the little message. Then we have designer series paper and some glimmer paper. This glimmer paper has 3 colors. It says blue, dark gray, and soft green. So let me show you the glimmer paper because this is only 3 colors, so I'm gonna show you this first. I haven't opened this. Now, I did take everything out the box and label it like I like to label it, which catalog it was in, highlight the colors so that I can quickly find them. But this is my first time opening it up. So we have the blue, the dark gray, did I say? I'm already forgetting. Blue, dark gray, and soft green. So this is the blue, dark gray, and soft green. Oh, these are pretty. And you get 2 of each. Okay. And then we have our designer series paper, which I have not looked at. I opened it and pulled the packaging down, wrote this, and that's it. So I'm gonna pull 1 of each sheet out. So this is the first sheet. And this is the back side. I'm gonna try to stay in frame here. We have our next one. Ooh, pretty. And this is the back side of that one. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. I can't. Oh, let me just pick this up so I can get these papers out. Look at that. All the pretty doves. I love a dark background. And on the back of this one, ooh, we have like little leaf branches. I'm trying to keep them. Hopefully you can see them. Ooh, okay. Tashana, pull the papers out so they can see. So the next one, we have pretty leaves. I love these leaves in blue. Then this is the back side. Then we have another sheet with doves on it. And then this is the back side. Ooh, introducing a new color. So by the way, the colors in this paper are Basic Beige, Cloud Cover, Crumb Cake, Misty Moonlight, Pecan Pie, and Secret Sea. Then our last sheet here, if I can get it out, is this. This is a nice set of paper. And if you don't like the busy front sides, the backs are subtle and can be used for anything. So this is the Peaceful Garden Designer Series paper. So that's part of that Peaceful Garden suite. Okay. And then they have a scrapbooking workshop that for the Peaceful Garden. I did not get that, but I did get the stamp set that goes in that scrap along with the scrapbooking kit. And I can use it right with this suite. Okay. So Peaceful Days. And this is an in the catalog further down, I think. They have some of the scrapbooking stuff, some are everywhere in there. Next, I have parts of the Lights of Aurora suite. So all I got was the Designer Series paper and the Frosted Iridescent Dots. And this has Berry Burst, Gorgeous Grape, Balmy Blue, and Clear dots in here. These are so pretty. Look at this. Can you see? Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to put it on, but it is gorgeous. It's going to be, ooh, okay. I should have gotten more than 1 pack of these. They are kind of high profile. They're not the highest we've ever had. Like that the crab and sea set or something that we just had in one of the minis. Those baubles that came with that were a little bigger, but they're not flat. So this is the Lights of Aurora 6x6 Designer Series paper. And I'm just going to take this out because, oh my goodness, this paper, I didn't even really look at the paper in the online catalog. I just kind of seen this and was like, I'm getting that. So I don't really know what I'm getting. So it looks like we have 3, 6, 8 of each sheet. Oh, I guess I should show you the backs, huh? Oh, so the backs are real nice and plain. So if you don't like this side, you can use the backs for something. So that's that one. The back is this berry burst, I think. Guess we should read the colors. I'll do that in a second. Ooh, everything is so pretty. Look at this design. Then gorgeous grape. Let me see. I'm trying to get this back sheet so I can read the colors. You can tell I'm very organized, right? So we have Azure Afternoon, Balmy Blue, Basic Black, Berry Burst, Blackberry Bliss, Gorgeous Grape, Highland Heather, Lost Lagoon, Petunia Pop, Pool Party, and Very Vanilla. This one here, these are all so pretty. Ooh, look at that. That's that Azure Afternoon. Oh, what? Okay, this is nice, but is this just black? Well, actually, it looks like black and Blackberry Bliss a little. So it's not totally black. Oh, yeah, that's like Blackberry Bliss. Yeah, okay, that's pretty. I wish there was a little lighter, though, because it looks just black. So that's that. Like I said, I didn't get much. And I did order some stuff from the annual catalog, like the Scenic Adventures bundle. This was online exclusive. I'm sorry, not from the annual catalog, but I just got this. So that was in my order. But I was showing you the new stuff. And I got a bunch of end colors because the end colors are on sale. So I got a full packs of the paper because I was just getting the variety pack at first because I wanted to see if I liked it. Which colors I was going to be using a lot. And I was using all of them. So this is the Christmas Tags and More Mix and Match Specialty Designer Series paper. It is 6x6. This is in the mini catalog. And this one also has a couple of sheets per. So this one has 8 sheets as well. So you get 8 of each sheet. So this is the front side and the back. Ooh. You can cut these apart or you can just use the back side. I'll probably be doing both since we get so many of each sheet. And then we have this one. I will probably cut it right here so you can use this on a card and use this on a card. Ooh, uh-oh. I got the next one already. Look at that back. That's pretty. That's pretty. I like that. Then here are some baubles, some ornaments, I should say. I guess it depends on where you're from. Here's another one. I would probably cut the side down. Just use this as a card, put a little sentiment on there. And that's the back. Really cute. I don't know why I'm turning these over because I'm going to have to put them back in the package. All right. And this is the last. Oh, no, I thought this was the last design. It's the last design paper. Some plaid. Really cute plaid. Ooh, and this is like little stars and dots. This is pretty. Really nice. And then we have some ephemera. So you get 2 of each sheet here. Isn't that pretty? So you can make tags or put them on your cards. So that's that. And to go along with this on the same page, you can mix and match. That's what it's called, mix and match, but they all go together if you want them to. Let me get my scissors because I did not open this up. This is the Greetings for You ephemera pack, the mix and match ephemera pack. And it's gold and white are the colors. Ooh. I'm going to tear this off because I'm just going to put this in one of our stamp cases. I got this on here tight. I can't even pull it out. Okay. So these are all the sentiments that you can use with your designer paper to make your cards up. And I think you get 2 of each sheet. So this one says, Merry Christmas, 'tis the season. Joy, Merry and Bright, Happy Christmas. And it's just in different fonts and in different labels, but they all say the same. Yeah, they all say the same thing. They're just in different fonts and different styles and stuff. So Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, Joy, Merry and Bright. Yeah. And these are stickers. Well, they call them adhesive backed, but what is adhesive backed paper but a sticker, right? Yeah, it's a sticker. It doesn't say it on the packaging, but I think it says it in the catalog. So you have that. Get my scissors out of the way. And lastly, to go with this mix and match stuff, I got the Christmas Greetings Mix and Match Specialty Card and Envelopes. So these are the 6 1/4 by 4 1/4 envelopes. So it's like for the memories and more size. So you get 10, 5 of each color. And the colors are garden green and crumb cake and gold. If I'm trying to get the, so you can see this. Then you have the matching envelopes like this. Okay. All wonderful things. So all 3 of these are in the mix and match section. And in the catalog, they do also give you about 15 layouts if you want to, you know, use their layouts to use your mix and match items. And lastly, I have an online exclusive Lovely Florals. This is, I think, with the scrapbooking stuff. Was it? I think it was with some scrapbooking stuff. And I think it's going to coordinate with the, what is this called? The Floral Charm suite of products. So it kind of looks like what's in that suite. I'm looking for my stamp set. Charming Day. So yeah, they look like that it coordinates. So yeah. Yep. That is what I got. That is it, you guys. That is all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.